viewers, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, please don't forget to click the like button, and please don't forget to subscribe down below, and don't forget to click the post notification button next to the subscribe button. So yeah, welcome to my channel. I have a new hair. Okay, so I got my hair done. I'm just kidding, I did it with myself. So this video is gonna be a wig review, and I got this wig of this beautiful hair, this beautiful curly hair. I miss my curly hair. Like, it's been a long time since I've worn curly hair. So I'm gonna show you guys how to achieve this look, how you can blend your natural hair with the wig. So this is a half wig. It can be a half wig and it can be a whole wig, but I make it into a half wig because it doesn't look good with the whole thing, like when I put it like over here, because it doesn't look like real, because it's cheap too. So, and it's cheap and it's affordable, so it's like a bougie on a budget, you know. I'm gonna show you guys how to achieve this look. As you guys can see, my leave out is already right here, and some of my hair is under the hair also, and I got the hair laid, you know. Without further ado, I'm gonna show you guys how to achieve this beautiful look on a budget, bougie on a budget. So the wig I'm gonna be using today, it's called Agatha. The style is Agatha and it's curly, and I got it in the color 1B, and that's what it looks like. And it was $22, $22.99, so it came down to $23. I actually used to buy this hair online, like at Sam's Beauty, Sister Wigs. I used to buy them over there, and it used to be like $12 or $15. That's what it looks like when it's out of the package. Oh my gosh, I'm already loving it. And of course it comes in a net. And right now I'm gonna go cut it. And it's actually big head friendly. It's not small, it's not big. So yeah, and it comes like this, and that's what the inside looks like. And it comes with a comb right here and a comb in the back, so it can secure your head, like it never falls. And the wind is blowing, it doesn't flow away, you know, it doesn't go away. So yeah. Okay, so that's how it looks like when I put it on. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I don't know how long it is. That's why it looks like on, and I didn't take out my hair yet, but yeah, so that's why it looks like on. I'm still in learning to blend my hair with the hair, but it doesn't look that bad. And I'm just gonna lay down my edges. When I I use eco gel to lay down the hair to make it look more realistic, you know. That's what the hair looks like, guys. You guys can go check out your local beauty supply store. I'm pretty sure most of the beauty supply store always have this hair, and they're always in stock also. I don't know if they have it in black or whatever. My beauty supply store always have it. When it gets tangled, and today is the first day, but when it gets tangled, I just cut it, or like I use like warm water with detergent to soften it up. And if I'm tired of the long hair, I just cut it into a bob cut. So yeah. And I'm gonna try to see if it's online, because I got this at the beauty supply store. I'm gonna put the link that I used to get it from for you guys, since I got it from the beauty supply store, and it's the same hair from the online stores that I used to get it. I didn't even need to cut it because they already laid it, so I don't really need to do anything about it. So that's pretty much it. My hair is always getting like stick into my lip gloss. My lip gloss is so sticky. But yeah, so this was pretty much it of the hair review. And yeah guys, so stay tuned for my other videos. Other videos are gonna come up, so don't forget to click the like button, and don't forget to click the subscribe button down below, and don't forget to click the post notification button next to the subscribe button if you guys want to see more and you guys want to stay in the family, you know. So this was pretty much it for the video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Stay blessed. Bye. I love you. Bye.